Hey guys, don't mind the music over there. It's my mom's music. So today, by the way, hey guys, it's Wolf Pup Morgan here. So just call me Wolf Pup. But anyways, I'm sorry about that. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a slime haul. So in the new year in 2019, me and my mom are gonna go to Michael's, and we are gonna show you guys what we're buying, and then you guys will see us make the slime. So there's 7 cans. So I'm gonna start smallest to biggest. So first one, I call this AFMA slime. Sadly, I'm sorry AFMA if you're watching this, but it turned out bad. But it's like a good purple. Like, it turned out kind of bad. I call it AFMA slime because it's AFMA's favorite purple color. Yeah. So then I'm gonna put this back now. Now this is my mom's slime. It's VT slime. VT stands for Valentine's slime. It's Valentine's Day slime. It's VT Day slime. VTD slime. Valentine's Day slime. She has some flowers in there and some hearts. It's very sticky. We almost had 8 slimes until the 8th turned out very bad, right, Mom? Mom? Right?
What?
That our 8th slime turned out bad, so we couldn't make it.
Yep.
See? She even said yes. And it got so sticky that I had to wash my hands off. It was a nice, pretty color. So, time to put this back. This is Miranda Lambert, right? Sounds like Miranda Lambert.
Carrie Underwood.
Carrie Underwood, people. Setting, stop. Just stop. Okay. Now, next one is, this is my other AFMA. So I have 2 AFMA slimes. This one and the other one. This one's just like that other one, except this one's a bit better. Because this one has like more of a shine to it. And it has a bit of red in it. Because something. So then this is called Ocean Slime. So my mom has 2 slimes, which is this one, VTD slime, Valentine's Day slime, and then the Ocean Slime. So yeah, let me take this out. Mom's has glitter. Next up is gonna be the only poke slime. Well, not the only one, but the best. My first slime that I made. So yeah. So yeah. Okay. Now, my poking slime, my first slime that I made. This is called my foam. This is called Grinch slime since it's near Christmas time. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so it's Christmas Eve. it's Grinch color. So this is Grinch slime. I was gonna make a Christmas slime, but maybe some other time when you guys can join me. Next, we have purple. This is called Solar System slime. Ready? Solar System slime. It's beautiful. Let's take it out. Forgot how weird it felt. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I know I just showed you that, but I just wanted to show you again. So, time for our last one. Ready? This is my favorite. It's called Galaxy Slime because it's an indigo color. Galaxy and Solar System and Grinch are my favorite slimes because they're not because they're big, because they're the best. See, look at this one. Oh, sorry, you guys probably did not see that, but if you did, then good for you.
Morgan, do you know where my mixing sticks went for this?
No, never touched them. You could check inside the knives and forks thing. I don't know. Anyways, that's it. But I'm gonna go over them again. So then, there's FMAO 1 slime, Valentine's Day slime, FMAO 2 slime, Ocean slime, Grinch slime, Solar System slime, and then Galaxy slime. So I hope you guys, I'm sorry about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Next video, or maybe, oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys something. That's mine, that's my brother's. Since my brother is only a
I can't find them. They're not in the drawer.
baby, my mom made his. So mine is the snowman. Mine is the red-hatted and scarf penguin. Finn's is the yellow. And together, it's a family. Heart 1, heart 2,
Both of them.
heart 3. Don't judge me, okay? I looked adorable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss a video. And my mom says, wait, now.
Christmas!
Say that again.
Merry Christmas! Don't make me look bad on the internet.
I didn't.
You're awful. Alright, get off the video.
Merry Christmas. Bye. Wolf Pup Morgan.